name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to show you what you need to do when you trying to heel flip. So one of my subscribers 2 days ago asked me how can he catch the heel flip when he flick the board at the same time he rising his back foot up when performing a heel flip. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step you need to learn how to do to actually catch the heel flip is you need to get comfortable of catching the heel flip with one foot, and that's the kicking foot. So this is what that look like. So now that I showed you how to catch the board with your front foot, your kicking foot, now it's time for you to learn how to catch the board with your popping foot. So this is what that look like when catching the board when heel flipping on flat ground with your back foot. So now that I showed you how to catch the board when flipping the board at the same time when popping with the back foot, you want to throw yourself forward when you popping the board when trying to bail the heel flip and try to catch the board with your popping foot at the same time. So if you do this motion like that, if you do that motion, you will be able to catch the board with your back foot when trying to learn how to catch the board. So if you do that, you will learn how to catch the board the right way. So the third step to really answer your question when trying to catch the board with both feet, if you do this motion, you will catch the board the right way. So if you do this motion, if you do that motion, it will cause you to catch the board with both feet. So this is what that look like when performing the heel flip on flat ground. So you see how my foot is performing when I'm about to catch the board in the air. So if you do that motion like I showed you, it will cause you to catch the board the right way. So if you find this tip helpful to you, don't forget to share it with someone else that might need this tip on performing a heel flip on flat ground. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.